Hey everybody, welcome back to Plum Figgy. This is Tammy. I've got the, what is this month? June. I've got the June Your Creative Studio box here. So I've obviously not opened it yet. I think this one's going to be a quick video right now. I only have a few minutes. I'm on my lunch break, which got shortened, and I have a meeting soon, so I'm only going to do the unboxing in this video, which maybe some of you are like, yay. I will use the what I get in another video, maybe tonight, we'll see, or tomorrow, where we use some of this. So go ahead and see what we got this time. I love that. I'll definitely use this. Oh, it says every day is a gift until, I can't read that. I don't know if you can pick that up on the screen, but there we go. And then thank you so much for your purchase. Hope you enjoy everything. Your Creative Studio. Sometimes I wonder if this is different, but I think it's the same every time. I don't look closely enough, I guess, to pay attention. Okay, so first off, we've got what looks like maybe a notepad of some kind. So let's see. I love the cover of this. Yeah, so it looks like it's a notepad. Oh, cool. And there's different pages. So here we've got this one. Gone with the Wind. Is that Gone with the Wind? Margaret Mitchell. Okay, so three different designs there. Very cool. I like that. That's really nice. Another one of these little collage paper kind of notepads, and it's got a coffee cup on this one, so maybe it's a coffee and tea theme. Yep, so we got a bunch of different coffee ones. Very cool. I like this. And they're a little bit thicker paper than the ones in the past. This one looks like tea to me. Nope, coffee. Cappuccino. So they're not like vellum or see-through. It's actual paper, like not cardstock, but halfway in between. If you know what I mean. So let's see, sticky notepad it looks like here. If I can get it open, gotta get a hold. Cut it. I'm not gonna keep it in there anyway. Okay, so sticky note, but look at the design on this. Really pretty colors. Yeah, I really like that. Oh, it's got little dragonflies on it. Yeah, okay, so, and an airplane. Randomly. So, traveling dragonflies. Wash stickers, not washing, stickers. Different kind of stickers here. So, I think this is my second to last Your Creative Studio box. I think I have my subscription ends July, so I'll get one more. I'm undecided on whether or not I want to continue. I think I'll make up my mind next month. I do want to stop spending as much and start putting more into my savings, just, you know, because I guess I'm an adult and I should do those kinds of adulty kind of things. Plus, I already have so many you know, things to use as far as supplies for making journals and stuff, that I think if I pick this up maybe again next year, that would be good. But at this point, I'm kind of ready to do some destashing and stuff. So I don't know. I guess I'm kind of leaning towards not continuing for right now. Not because I don't like the product. I really do. Oh, that's fun. Like the products, but I have so many things. I can never use all that I have now. So, but yeah, these are really fun. I like these. They're all kind of just different, but very usable in many kinds of different applications. So there's a little 4-leaf clover down there. This looks like kind of a label. A book of unique children's songs, and it's got like kind of a weird baby flamingo on there. That's different. And I'm not sure what else the rest of this is, but I like the colors. So there's that. Okay, I want to open this because this looks pretty cool. This looks like a locket on a chain, maybe. Yeah. Is this a necklace? Very cool. Look at that. It is a necklace. So it's a locket with a dragonfly. Oh, maybe it's a clock. Yep. Okay. A clock on a chain. That's pretty. Look at the design on that. I don't know that I would use it for the clock part, but it's got the, you can wind it here and then this will start it if you remove that. Start the battery going. So very cool. I don't know. I'll have to figure out where to put that or what to do with it. I'm not big on wearing longer necklaces right now. I don't know why. I think it's mostly I've been working from home for the past year and like, why bother? So I'll probably have to change my mind on that pretty soon. I'm going back into the office next week for part weeks. Look at this dragonfly. So this is a cling stamp. That is very neat. I don't have anything like that either. So very cool. Like that. Okay, so what we've got here is, it looks like a coupon book. So maybe some coupons of some kind. All the same. So it's the same. They're all going to be this one, which again, they're all the same, but these are very usable. I think I would definitely use these in a lot of collages and stuff. So airmail. Ooh, little envelopes. Cute. Very cute. I like these. So got some craft colored envelopes, but they have the airmail kind of design on the outside. Masking tape. Okay, so here's our washi. My tummy is growling. I haven't eaten lunch yet. I got called from to get on a call for work. I'm like, okay, well, I guess there's my lunch break. It happens sometimes, you know. All right. Ooh, I like this. Isn't that pretty? Sorry, I don't know how well you can see that. Let me back it with. It's got really pretty dragonflies and then kind of like stamps from traveling kind of a theme. So this is kind of like a dragonfly traveling kind of a theme this month. I really like this washi tape though. I will definitely be using that. Alright, so we've got another cling stamp. Which is, ooh. Here, put it this way so you can see. So it's another dragonfly, but on a flower this time. And so, funny story, I don't think I've ever seen dragonflies in my yard, but this year I've had just teeny tiny little dragonflies. So I don't know where they're finding food or a home, but they're finding something in my yard. So really pretty stickers. And then we've got our, let's see, it looks like vellum paper. So again, we've got the dragonfly and some kind of travel stamp kind of feel. I don't know how it's almost like, how are they supposed to go? Which way is up? I don't know. Some more dragonflies here. Really, really pretty. Floral designs. I like these a lot. These will be easy to use in lots of things. This is a minor thing, but how cute is that little picture right there? Really love that. So, okay, well, there we go. There is our June Your Creative Studio box. And like I said, I'll come back up here and use these in some junk journaling. I think I might do a different journal this time. We'll see. But that'll be in a separate video, and just look for it on my channel if you're curious. And then until then, I will see you all very soon. Bye!